Participants in the Rapides Parish Drug Court program recently walked across the stage to celebrate their graduation, marking an important milestone in their recovery journey. KLV's Davion Telsey was there to cover the graduation and share their story.
Second chances are rare, but in the Rapides Parish Drug Court program, they're offering just that.
The turning point for me was realizing that I had a second chance. Realizing that I had a second chance not only for myself, but for my kids, for my family, to be better than I was before addiction.
I was in drug court, and the first 3 months I failed every drug test that they gave me. And my counselor gave me 2 options: either go to inpatient rehab or jail.
Even though there's a different path ahead for the 4 graduates of drug court, what was life like beforehand?
Life was a little rough there for me, and so being in that dark, man, it wasn't good for me, and I knew that.
I had got locked up for a charge, and my son had 2 grandbabies at the time, and he told me, he said, "Dad, you're gonna have to change your ways, or you ain't gonna be able to see them grandbabies no more." And that was a light that turned on for me.
Before drug court, I was on the streets. I didn't have a place to go. I was living on people's couches. I was getting in trouble with the law. I lost visitations to my daughter, and my son quit talking to me because he didn't like the way I was, and I didn't even like myself at the time.
But there's always light at the end of the tunnel, and that light leads to some people's greatest accomplishments.
I'm 51 years old, and I ain't really accomplished much of nothing, but drug court, you know, I stuck it out and been here for almost 2 years, and it's a sense of accomplishment, you know. It's a way of life that I've chosen, and that drug court has provided for me.
It's an accomplishment in my life, man, that I done changed my life 100%. Life is so great today. I'm very accountable, and I'm very responsible today as a dad and a grandpa.
Graduating is another stepping stone, because now it's gonna be a little harder because I ain't got the protection of drug court watching over me, so it's gonna be more on me. And but they gave me the material and the knowledge to deal with situations that come up in life.
It's better than graduating high school. Like, I know that I've done it. You know, I've overcome one of the hardest and the longest obstacles of my life.
Rapides Parish District Judge Patricia Cook says,
the clients end up being inspirational to me, makes me want to do more in my own life, because I see how hard they're working to improve their lives.
Happiness can be found in the darkest of times if only one remember to turn on the light. In Alexandria, for News Channel 5, I'm Davion Telsey.